If you are a researcher, today's video will be helpful for you. When you are doing a literature review, uh, I just looking paper in Google Scholar. You can go for Google Scholar. Click, when search a topic, you can see there have multiple papers. If we want to know which two factories, we need to open the paper and see the which one is two factor. It is a time-consuming task. We can make it easy and simpler. We just added Google Chrome extension, then we can see here the which two factor. Just search for expected journal ranking in Google search. Then you go for first link, Chrome or the store, then exit Chrome, extension, a couple of seconds. It is downloaded. Then we, uh, we can open the structure. Now, if we load this page, you can see the paper. This is Q factor on, and this Q factor is on. Uh, uh, this one is Q factor. Now I can see which paper is which Q factor in simple way. Thanks for watching.